Yeah, there guys, part 2 of the Colt 295 restoration job. Got it wired into the amp power pack there, and we can turn it on there. Yep, it's all lighting up as it should. So there we go, full 40 channel UK. The mic unfortunately has still not arrived for this radio, which is a bit of a pain in the backside, but there is static coming from the speaker. But there it is. Just kind of buzzed the power lead there. I'll get a proper, ready-made one and everything when the time comes to sell it. But for now, for testing purposes, this does the job nicely. As you can see, the back of the radio is in okay condition, not perfect, but when we finish with it, it's not exactly going to be a minter, but still, it's going to be a lot better than what it was. So here we are, Colt 295 powered up. We just got to wait for the microphone to arrive. Should have arrived today, but unfortunately it didn't. So that's Royal Mail for you. Used to be quick and reliable back in 2010. Now you were lucky within 5 days you get the parcel. Used to be 1 to 2 days. Now you get it in about 3 to 5 days. But there we are. Anyway, here it is, and I'll do another video when the new mic arrives. Then we'll be able to test if there's any output power coming out of this, and if so, how much. So yeah, there we go, 73s for now, and as I said, I'll make another video when the microphone arrives in the post.